Let's check out this portable high pressure washing gun and see if it's actually any good. So first, inside the box we are getting our hose here for it. It's actually decent size. Then also a bunch of accessories here. Okay, we get our water filter here. Also a bunch more adapters here. And our head. And one more adapter over here. Then also we get our charger here. A quick manual here. A bottle for the foam and detergent. A pressure washer gun. And also battery as well. Also, if you are looking to get this water gun, in the description I'll include special discount links that you can use to get for absolutely insane price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and literally paid only like $20 for it, for the whole kit. So for the water gun, batteries and all the accessories. Also if you pay like a few dollars more, you can also get it in a kit with 2 batteries as well if needed. For this price, really nothing actually comes close to this one. Also, actually, if you look, there are actually multiple different models of these water guns, so slightly different. And so I actually got this one instead of the other ones. So first, actually, the power, so waterfall. I think this is probably one of the most powerful ones. And also another huge advantage of this one, we can also use Makita batteries with it. So yep, you actually hear it right. So you see, if I actually, insert my Makita battery over here, I can also obviously use it with that SAM as well. So yeah, this is insanely huge advantage basically. So other water guns, especially at this price, aren't able to actually use Makita batteries. So yeah, if you want to get it for that price, simply check out those links. Also, I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons that you can use to maybe even like bring the price down even further. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane. And next, let me show you how to properly set up and use it. So first, when it actually comes to the build quality for this price, I'm actually quite impressed. As you see, the build quality on the tool actually appears very decent indeed. So first things first, when it comes to battery, as you see on the battery, you have the charger port over here. So what we can do to charge the battery is simply plug it in over here and plug in your power adapter, and that's how you can charge the battery. To attach the battery, so we simply slide it on like this. Okay. And make sure it's clipped inside. To remove the battery, simply press on this to release it. Again, we can also use Makita batteries on this, which is absolutely awesome. Okay, so how do you actually set up basically the head and the nozzle? So basically, first let's screw this on over here, so this end. And also you can actually take a wrench and properly tighten if you want, but honestly it's actually pretty okay as is. Then on the front, we actually had to attach nozzles, so it already comes with 2 nozzles. So this one over here is for high pressure, and this is basically for like a kind of basically like more spread out, which also isn't as high pressure. Also on this water gun, we can also attach basically this foam like reservoir here as well. And to attach things to it, we simply had to like, let's see, pull this. So while you pull, simply pop it inside. So, and you see you have your attachment over here. So basically, if you actually want to foam up your car, all you will do is simply fill up this with shampoo, and then basically, as you see, it will actually get sucked in, and basically as the water flows through, it will basically create a lot of foam, and your car will essentially get foamy. So, and once you actually want to wash it properly, so we would insert one of these nozzles, for example this higher pressure one. So again, simply pull on this one and insert it inside. So on this high pressure unit, Obviously, if you also basically try to actually put it near close like any object, it can actually strip it as well. So again, it's actually very, very powerful. So if you're washing car with this nozzle, I suggest you to actually maybe like back up maybe like a meter. Otherwise, again, you might even damage your paint. So again, this is actually a very powerful tool over here. And to feed the water for the pressure washer, there are two main ways. First, we can simply take like a regular hose that you have connected to a tap, so and directly connect it to a machine. Or as a second way, we can also use the provided hose and the adapter and actually basically power it maybe from a reservoir, maybe even like a bucket. So yep, we actually do not have to even have like a tap water to be able to use this gun, which is absolutely awesome. And if you were to use this pressure washer with the tap water directly, so obviously we have two main advantages, and that is we obviously have constant water supply, and also actually the pressure that actually comes out of the gun actually will be even more powerful, since obviously we do not have to waste energy basically sucking up the water from the bucket essentially. But when it comes to negatives in this method, actually this water gun is actually passed through if you actually connect basically a hose. So let's see what happens if I actually connect it. Essentially, you see it automatically passes through. So yeah, and if you actually basically want to only turn on as needed, you would need to simply get like adapter and a stopper basically on your hose. Again, maybe they cost like extra $2. So as you see, once actually powered on, the pressure obviously will get crazy and we are ready to go essentially. But yeah, obviously you need a stopper basically on your hose to stop the water flow. Next, let me show you how to set up the bucket method. So first actually attach this like hose directly on here and simply push it on. So you actually have to use quite a lot of force. And then basically pull this up and screw it down. And screw it actually tightly. So you see, this is what it should look like on one end. And also on the other end of the hose, you can either basically like insert this somewhere directly or also use this plunger essentially, which also acts as a filter. So you see actually there is quite a lot of weight inside, which essentially will help basically keep the hose down in your water tank. Again, simply push it on. So the first time you actually do it, you actually have to use quite a lot of force because it's obviously very, very stiff. So you see the other end, you're simply going to push on and see it actually clicks inside. So if you want to remove it, simply we are going to pull this to release it, and then we can remove it. So again, as you see, it clicks itself in. And then as you see, I can easily take my water from the bucket. So yeah, very cool indeed. And when it comes to the power for this pressure washer, I'm actually quite impressed just how insanely powerful it is for such a small device. And again, considering the price, I think that's absolutely insane. So if you are basically washing it, basically using the bucket method, obviously you will actually get a tiny bit less pressure. Again, the machine actually has to work a bit more to pump basically the water from the bucket. But if you actually use a hose method, you'll actually be able to even get like better pressure. And basically if you actually connect it to a hose, you can even use it to wash your patio as well. For example, as you see on these pavers over here, I have actually quite a lot of moss and also a bunch of gunk. So let's see how it actually performs when it comes to this stuff. So is this small machine actually as good as maybe like a big proper machine? So definitely not. We really have to consider the price and also the tiny size of it. So also I have like a normal like high-end pressure washer, and essentially if I want to do the same job, I think my normal machine would actually do the same job maybe like 2 times faster than this small guy. But again, so you would simply need to spend a bit more time if you are washing maybe some pavement or stuff like with this gun. But as you see, even for such stuff, it's actually plenty capable. However, for washing cars, I actually prefer the small guy over my big machine, essentially due to the compact size. And again, for washing cars, this really has plenty of pressure, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. And obviously, if you use this machine to wash cars with, also obviously do not actually go close to it at this distance. Again, it would maybe even like strip the paint off the car, because again, it's actually quite powerful. So again, I would maybe keep from maybe like a meter distance and wash it like that. Or you can simply change the nozzle for the white one, and then you can actually get closer as well. So yeah, when it comes to power for car washing, I think this is absolutely brilliant. And overall, is mini pressure actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, I can highly suggest this particular model, because not only the build quality is absolutely awesome on this thing, as you see, so for its price, really, I think it looks absolutely awesome. Also the power, also I think for most basic tasks is actually plenty. And again, if you compare this small guy versus actually my normal decent pressure washer, then again, I actually much prefer this one over my big pressure washer, because due to the compact size, and can essentially do pretty much the same job. So basically, when I actually want to wash a car with my big pressure washer that I had, so it was always a hassle, and I actually hated basically the setup process. Again, it was like very bulky machine. Also, you need mains electricity for that. But again, this is battery powered, so again, very portable. And for its price, I think it's absolutely brilliant. So really hard to fold this in pretty much any way. So also, if you want to get it for similar price I got, so again, I literally paid only around $20 for this. If you also want to get for that price, simply check out the special discount links in the description. Also, again, I'll probably manage to get some extra coupons from AliExpress that you can use to bring the price down even further. So for this price, and also, yeah, so again, on AliExpress there are actually like multiple different of these machines, but I actually did quite extensive research on these, and I think this probably has to be the best model, because again, not only power is actually very decent on it, but also it can be used with Makita batteries as well, which is absolutely awesome. Anyway, good luck.